Look at the question number 1. Two parallel plates 0.03 meter apart. 0.03 meter apart. The electric field intensity between them is how much? 3000 Newton per Coulomb. So electric field intensity, how much it is? E, that is how much is given? 3000 Newton per Coulomb. And these plates are separated by distance how much now? 0.03 meter apart. Now they're asking me to find the potential difference between the plates. Like this is there now. This is positive plate and this is negative plate, and this is the direction of electric field now. And this distance is how much? 0.03 meter. Okay, so now we know the relation. That is electric field E equal to minus dV by dr. Okay, for small cases, we take a magnitude. We just what now? We use V by D. Okay, small potential, small cases. So it is just V means what now? We need to find out. Then can you write V equal to E into D? So E is how much is given? 3000 Newton per Coulomb. So it is 3000 into distance is given. No, I'll write like this: 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter. I can write now. Because shifting, it will become what now? 3 into 10 power minus 2. Look at this. This is 10 power 3. 3 into 10 power 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 2. It will become 3 into 3. 9 into 10. Because 10 power minus 3 plus 3 minus 2 is the 10. It will become 90 volt. So which option is correct, students? Fourth option is correct. Okay, just this is a case of electric potential between them. Okay, let us go for next question now. Question number 2. So question is asking like this to us. Question is saying what now? Two electric charges 9 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb are placed 0.16 meter apart. How much distance apart? .16 meter apart. There will be a point P at which electric potential is where now? 0. Okay, on the line joining two charges and between them. This question based on what now? Null point, or we can say zero potential point. Zero potential point, null point, or what? Zero potential point. The distance of point P from where we are asking 9 microcoulomb is how much they asking. Okay, look at now. Let me draw a simple diagram. This is one charge. This is one charge. This is 9 microcoulomb. This is minus 3 microcoulomb, and distance between them is how much is given now? 0.16 meter apart. Now we need to find a 0 point between them, right? And from where? From 9 coulomb, I'll take this is a point A. So this distance I'll take X. Then remaining distance become what now? It will become 0.16 minus X. Okay, I've given a concept directly. I'll write now. This is 9 into 10 power minus 6 divided by X is equal to 0. Okay, 3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 0.16 minus X. Okay, this is going to cancel. 3 times is going to cancel here. It will become what now? 3 by X equal to 1 by 0.16 minus X. Do cross multiplication now. It will become what now? 16, 3 is 18. It will become 0.48. 0.48 minus 3x is equal to x. So if we send that, it will become 0.48 is equal to 4x. Then x equal to what now? 0.48 by 4. It will become what now? 0.12. So x is what now? 0.12 meter. So where is the option? Second option is correct. Sir, instead of asking from 9, if they ask you from minus 3 microcoulomb, what we can do, sir? So it is just we got same thing. It will be reverse. Or if you do this one, just it will become 0.16 minus 0.12, it will become 0.04 meter. From where? From -3 microcoulomb. Okay, so this is about null point. So if you remember this concept, you can usually do. Okay, yes. Can you go for next question? This question is clear. Lakshmi, can you go for next question? Yes, look at next question now. Look at the question now. There are charges 5 microcoulomb, -2 microcoulomb, 3 microcoulomb, and -9 microcoulomb are placed at A, B, C, D corners of square ABCD. So offside is how much? 1 meter apart. So net electric potential at the center of a square is. Let us draw a simple diagram. There is a square. Okay. So give a square name is A, B, C, D. So distances now that are given. Side is what now? 1 meter. Okay, if I draw the diagonals, this is the center. Now I need to find the net potential where center, right? So I should know the distance from one of the corner to center, which any other corner center. Now this is also how much? 1 meter. Look at now. So I can write now AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. It is 1 square plus 1 square. It has become 2. So AC square become 2. Then AC become √2. I want AO, right? AO equal to √2 by 2. It will become 1 by √2. This distance from any one of the corner to where? Center. So now we need to find the potential. Potential is what type of quantity? Scalar quantity. We need to add up the potential at O due to what now? 1 by 4 pi epsilon is common, right? Remaining. First is 5 microcoulomb. 5 into 10 power minus 6 divided by distance from A corner. This is A, right? Let me take this is A, B, C, D. A to what distance? How much? 1 by √2. 1 by √2. Next charge minus is this, so I took minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 1 by √2. Next charge plus 3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by distance 1 by √2. Next minus is there, so negative sign. So 9 into 10 power minus 6 divided by distance is what now? 1 divided by √2. All are 1 by √2. So let us take what is common. Here it is 9 into 10 power 9. 10 power minus 6 is common and 1 divided by √2 is common. If you simplify 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 9. 1 by √2 will come to numerator, right? It will become 9 √2 into 10 power 3. So look at here, 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So it will become 9 3 is a minus 27 √2 into 10 power 3 volt. So look at the answer anywhere is there, but they are given kilo. Kilo means what now? 10 power 3. So I can write this answer as minus 27 √2 kilovolt. Okay, so that's the answer, minus 27 √2 kilovolt. That is the second option is given here. Okay, second option is given to us. That is the answer. So this question is clear. So like this, you need to find out potential due to it is multiple charges. This concept what now? Potential due to multiple charges. Okay, let us look at the next question now. I hope you understood this question. Anywhere, any question, if you find it out, please let me know. I'll explain the question one more time. So next question is given like this. An infinite number of electric charges, each equal to how much? 2 nanocoulomb. Okay, each of value how much? 2 nanocoulomb in magnitude are placed along what now? X equal to 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 27 centimeter, and so on. Like if I take a diagram, this is X equal to 0, this is X axis, this is 1 centimeter, okay, it is 3, it is 9, it is 27, this is in centimeter, okay. So now in this setup, if the conjugative charges have opposite sign, okay, if the conjugative means what now? If I take this is plus q, next one is minus q, next one is plus q, next one is minus q, and so on. Okay, then the electric potential at where now? 0 means at this point potential how much is the answer? Find out. Where? At center, means not center, at the origin. So this is like a potential due to what now? Again, multiple charges concept. Multiple charges. And you should know here this one: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. These three things. So because it is like these three will help us now. Okay. Let us see now which one is going to help in these three now. Let us find the potential now. Due to what now? Due to all these things. So it is 1 centimeter means distance from here to here is 1 centimeter. 3 means distance from here to here is 3 centimeter. This is 9 means distance from this point to this point is 9 centimeter. Okay, like that it is. So now potential due to R, I'm going to write now like this directly: 9 into 10 power 9. That is due to multiple charges, and it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon is common to all, and charge is also common. So can we take a charge also outside? Charge is also outside is common. We take, okay, let us write now first thing, q divided by first distance is 1 centimeter, right? 1 into 10 power minus 2. So this q value I'll take directly 2 nanocoulomb, that is 2 into 10 power minus 9. Next is negative charge, right? So minus 2 into 10 power minus 9 divided by distance is 3 into 10 power minus 2. Next is plus charge, plus 2 into 10 power minus 9 divided by this is 9 into 10 power minus 2. Next is minus charge, that is 2 into 10 power minus 9 divided by this is 27 into 10 power minus 2, and plus so on. So let us take common things. What and all is there? 9 into 10 power 9 into numerator 2 into 10 power minus 9 common for all, divided by this is 10 power minus 2 also common denominator. This is left with 1 minus this is left with what now? 1 by 3. This is left with 1 by 9. This is left with minus 1 by 27 plus so on. So this I'm going to simplify. It is 18 into 10 power this, and this is going to cancel. It will become plus 2. Can I write this one? 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 3 cube plus so on. It is like a GP now. Geometric progression. Geometric progression, sum of R infinity is given the formula A divided by 1 minus R, where R is what we call, A is a first member, and R is what we call common ratio. R is what we call common ratio. How can we find R is common ratio? Like this. R is given by this number, next number 1 by 3 divided by previous number 1. This is A1, this is A2. This is R common ratio is given by what now? A2 by A1. So it become what now? Minus 1 by 3 common ratio. And first number is what now? It is 1. Then put this value. Sum of all value till infinity become what now? 1 divided by 1 minus of minus 1 by 3. It will become what now? 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. And if you simplify, it will become what now? 3 divided by 3 divided by 4. That is sum of infinity, this value. Okay, so we got here, we put that value. It is 18 into 10 power plus 2 multiplied by, it is 3 by 4. It is what now? It is 3 by 4. Simplify this. So you will get an answer is what now? By simplifying this, what do you get an answer? 1350, including its 10 power 2 volt you get. Okay, this is 2 times 9 times. So 9 3 is 27, 27 by 2. Yeah. So this is you get 1350. My voice is audible. My voice is audible, students. Yes. So it will become 1530. What is the correct answer? Second option is correct answer. Okay. Second option is the correct answer for this question number 4. Okay, let us move on to the next question now. Look at this question now, saying that electric charge given 10 power minus 3 microcoulomb is placed at the origin O, O on XY coordinate system. Okay, let us take now. This is XY coordinate system, and here there is a charge we're going to place 10 power minus 3 microcoulomb. This is what we call 0, 0. Okay, 2 points A and B, which are what now? This place. Okay, what is the A location now? It is root 2 comma root 2, and the B location is what now? B location is 2 comma 0 respectively. The potential difference between the A and B will be, we need to find out the potential difference between what now? Between the point A and B, we need to find out. So now look at this. Let us take a small way, like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Like it is root 2 means almost will become 1.4 comma 1.4, right? So somewhere here will come, it is x comma y. This is also x comma y. 1.4 comma 1.4 comma almost here. This is 1, second 2 and 3. This is 1, 2, 3 we have taken. So this 1.4 comma 1.4 will come where here. So this somewhere here, this come. This is A, and B will come where now? 2 comma 0. So x-axis 2, y value 0. This is B will come. So potential point is VA. Potential point is what now? VB. Okay, this is first initial position vector. That is, this is, let us say R1. Its position vector is given by R1 equal to root 2I plus root 2J. And this is a second position vector, that is R2. That is what we say 2I plus 0J. So now we need to know the distance between these 2 points now. Can we take R2 minus R1? Or you can find the potential using this directly. Okay. So if you take a difference, it will become what now? dr, that is potential difference we need to find out. So it will be how much now potential difference, this distance between these two, it will be R2 minus R1. R2 is what now? 2I plus 0J minus root 2I minus root 2J. It will become what now? 2 minus root 2 square. Okay, not square. 2 minus root 2. I cap, this is second one is 0 minus root 2 J cap. So instead of doing this, we can do alternative way. I can directly write the R1 magnitude and directly I can write R2 magnitude. And you can even simplify that also. That method also is valid method. You can simplify directly by finding R1, R2. So R1 is a magnitude, right? So R1 is given by what now? From this, R1 is given by square root of x square, x1 square plus y1 square. This is x1 comma y1 it is. This is, let us take x2 comma y2. It will become root of 2 plus 2, because root is the square is going to cancel. It will become root of 4, it will become 2. That is R1. So similarly R2, here it is root of 2 square plus 0 square. It has become again 2. It has become what now? Again 2. So potential at VA is 9 into 10 power 9 into charge is how much? 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 6, because 10 power minus 3 microcoulomb divided by distance. How much is we got? R1 2, that is 2. So we get what now? 9 by 2 into 10 power, here it is 0, just 9 by 2. So V potential at B become what now? 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by R2. How much we got? Again 2, right? 2. It is again become 9 by 2. There is a potential difference, that is VB minus VA, that is 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2. How much we get? 0. Where is the option? Second option. Sir, what about this method? Okay, you got dr, right? Find its magnitude by taking square root of this 2 minus root 2 whole square plus of minus root 2 whole square. Okay, you get what now? If simplify this one, you get a distance is same. dr is 0 you get. So you get again potential is 0. That method also you can try, this method also you can try, but this is okay now, because in this exam question, this is okay. Okay, but sometimes particularly we need to go for this method only. Okay. Yes, this question is clear to all of you. Can you go for next question? Can we move on to the next question, children? Look at the next question now. There is a simple question of oil drop experiment conducted by a scientist Millikan. Okay, Millikan oil drop experiment. An oil drop carrying a charge of much Q is held stationary. This word is very important. Held stationary by the potential difference of 2400 volt between the plate. Like there is a one plate is there here. There is a one more plate is there here. Let us take this plate A, this plate B. The potential difference between this plate, that is VBA, is how much? 2400 volt. Okay, 2400 volt between the plate. To keep the drop of half of its radius stationary, the potential difference will be what now? Becomes 600 volt. So now there is a drop here. This force is acting downward, mg. There is electric force is acting out now upward direction. Okay, then only it can held stationary. And electric field will go direction now. So electric field will be in this direction now. So I cannot say VBA, that is VAB I can say now. This is become higher potential now. This is become lower potential. Okay, now this is a case. In this case, let us write the formula. Then force which is acting upward must be equal to m times of g. Since they're not given a mass, they're given in terms of radius. I'll convert this mass into radius. How? Because we know density equal to mass by volume. Then mass equal to density into volume. We're going to use this formula. We're going to use where volume is given by what now? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now I'll write here force become what now? Q times of V. That is equal to charge is given initially Q capital Q, right? Let us take capital Q. Q times of V, that is equal to M is become what now? Rho times of 4 by 3 pi r cube into G. First case it is. Case 1. Let us try to hold it. Okay, E is not given, right? We'll write E equal to V by D. again will become what now? Q, E become V by D is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube into G. Let's take one. To hold half of its radius, Now case become what now? Q potential. This is, let us take V1 potential. This is new charge I need to find out because what must be the charge? Let us take Q and new potential V2. This is, let us say, V2. This is V1 divided by distance between the plates remains same, right? That is equal to rho 4 by 3 pi. Radius become what now? Radius become half, right? So it is r by 2 whole cube, okay, into G. So this is, let us take what now? Second equation. Now we need to equate these two things. We need to divide these two things. Let us take now equation 1 by equation 2. What is going to cancel? Directly I'm going to cancel now. Here D and D is going to cancel. 4 by 3 pi and rho cancel. 4 by 3 pi, rho is going to cancel. Okay, this G is going to cancel. Here G is going to cancel. So if I write remaining things, what are all left? Here it is left Q V2. Okay, we are taken V1 by V2, right? So it is, yeah, Q, okay. Yes, capital Q V1 divided by here small q V2, that is equal to, here what is left now? R cube is left now. R cube. Here is left what now? It is R cube divided by 2 to the power of q. It will become 8. And again now R cube is going to cancel. You get what now? Q V1 divided by small q V2, that is equal to 8 you get, because 8 will come to numerator. So let us, I need to find what q, right? So it will become q equal to q V1 divided by 8 V2. 8 will come down. Q will go this side. Let us Q. V1 is how much? 2400 they given initially. Divided by 8 into V2 is how much now? 600 volt. Now 2, okay, 2 zeros going to cancel. It is 3 times. This is 2 times. It will become what now? Q by 2. So what is the new charge now? It must be Q by 2. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Okay, second answer is correct. So you need to think in this way. Whenever the mass is given in terms of radius is given, we should replace the mass in terms of radius. Okay, so you need to start thinking in this way, then only you can get success, students. Okay, alternative way must be there in order to solve the questions.